Ultra-fast. 10/101,000ths of a megabit per second PCIe adapter. Upgrade your Ethernet speed to gigabit. Automation. Wake-on-LAN supporting auto negotiation and auto 1501, MDIX. Supports IEEE 802.3x flow control for full duplex mode and backpressure for half-duplex mode, 4K Bytes port, 1x10, 101,000ths of a megabit per second RJ45 network media. Compatibility. Windows 11, 10, 8.1, 8, 7, Vista, XP. Dual bracket. Low profile and standard profile bracket inside works with both mini and standard size PCs. Industry-leading support. 2-year warranty and free 24/7 technical support. From reliable brand, TP-Link has been ranked as the world's #1 provider of WLAN products for the past consecutive 7 years by IDC. In 2017. Top reviews from the United States. Definitely works with an Asus TUF Gaming X570-PLUS, Wi-Fi, motherboard. I have an Asus TUF Gaming X570-PLUS, Wi-Fi, motherboard and the network adapter was only connecting to my network at 100 M. My network is 1000 M, 1 gigabit, which was causing my some issues. I had done multiple troubleshooting steps including new cable to the switch, updating, reinstalling network drivers to no avail. I purchased this network adapter. When it arrived I powered down my PC, plugged the new network adapter into my system. Plugged my network cable into the new network adapter, powered my PC back on again. Windows 10 automatically recognized the adapter, started working right out of the box with the new drivers I had previously installed since it's using the same Realtek chip as my motherboard. It is running fine. I have not had any issues with this adapter.